Jamie O'Donnell again from the Search Engine Strategies YouTube channel, and we're here with Matt Mullen from OpenText, who's come over from London to bring his application, his very unique application, Search Engine Strategies San Francisco. Matt, tell us about your application, what it does for websites.
Well, basically, we can actually extract meaning and value from unstructured content, so textual content. We can read that, find the most important and relevant terms, people, places, organizations, and interesting complex concepts, extract that from articles, which means then, of course, we can link those together, find the most relevancy and similarity in articles on sites.
So people have structured, well thought out content on their sites, maybe what, 20–30% of everything they're trying to gather, or
well, less than
what's
that.
Your experience?
Less than that, I would think, because most value and most relevancy is locked inside linguistic content. And as human beings, we're really good at understanding that. When we look at the newspaper in the morning, we can work out the importance of...
We do that.
The important people. Yeah, we can do that because we understand the structure of language. But machines aren't very good at doing that typically. You can't really apply mathematics to understand language, so we apply linguistics.
And then you take that interpretation and you put it in a company's website map, or where do you apply it?
Absolutely, because if you understand what each individual article, what is important and unique and relevant, and can, it adds to the context of how that article can be reused. So you can link articles together. You can really find the long tail of all the information.
Mapping all those articles. Right.
These organizations may have hundreds of thousands, millions of articles together. An awful lot of their value as an organization is locked inside that linguistics.
Right.
So as visitors, can't always find it.
Right. I would take it that probably publishers and e-commerce companies are two of your real target types of customers. Is that the case?
We've done an awful lot of work with large media organizations, global media organizations over the last few years. Yeah. So for using those...
Turning a lot of content out. But
absolutely. People who produce large amounts of content, high value content, and it's their own, their content has become a commodity for a lot of organizations. Their own journalistic stuff is the highest value. If you're the Financial Times or your news corporation producing the Times, it's the stuff that your journalists write which people are prepared to pay for.
Right. And media companies like to keep their cards pretty close on how they achieve results, but can you give us a blind customer case study of the kind of results they've achieved in terms of indexing and ranking after using your application?
Well, I can give you some ideas of some of the customers we've worked on for our semantic navigation product. They've found that their SEO has risen considerably, because once you understand what the important people and places, you can expose those as tags. You're exposing lots of rich links to Google and other search engines, of course, as well. The spiders are able to get deeper into the content straight away.
You help the spiders get much farther into that
content. Absolutely. Once you understand what's the most relevant about it, when people come along to use those search engines to find things, they're finding things which are relevant to their context at that particular time, not just because there happens to be a string that matches. It's real linguistic relevancy.
Well, Matt, here in San Francisco, I think you're going to come across a lot of really experienced SEOs, ones that have years and years of experience in the industry, and here's to having them all stop by your booth and appreciating what you can bring to their
I do hope so.
Their challenge.
I do hope so.
Okay. The best over the next couple of days. We'll stop by and see how you're doing at the end of Wednesday.
Excellent. Thank you.
Thanks for your time, Matt.
Take care.
Okay.